my first impression was I loved the colors of it, and it looked really nice. Quality of the product feels great. It's strong metal. It looks like it'll last. We got the storage because my grandparents needed some space to put their stuff in for now till they move in, so they can get rid of one of the storage units. Later down the road, we're planning on working on vehicles in it. Allen's Factory Outlet was the first company we looked at, and they liked it enough and they went with it. We went with the metal storage unit because we figured it would last a lot longer than the wood, and also the price for what they were charging for it was a great price. The way it'll improve for us is to be able to work on the cars, being out of the rain. Like if you have to drop a transmission or something like that, you have it covered so you don't have to finish it that day. If you can't. So it'll help immensely with all of that to get your jobs done and storage all your tools and everything else in it. Yes, I would recommend Allen's Factory Outlet to a friend or family because their price is good. They pop it up really quick. Looks like very good quality. The crew was really knew what they were doing.